y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Real niggas watch chillin' with an L.
So, for my last video, not even a handful of people. You're gonna have to wait. If y'all would move. If y'all get the hell out the way. Anyways, what she say? Don't get mad at me. You park crooked, little hoe. For my last video, as some of y'all, majority of y'all, all of y'all might know, I moved back to Florida. Today, I'm just running some errands. It is May the 10th, by the way. Y'all probably gonna be seeing this like, y'all might not see this till June, not gonna lie to you. I just went to a mall to see if they had a desk because I ordered some stuff and I needed to put on my desk, but I don't even have a desk. I'm gonna have to go to Walmart either way for it. So that's where we're headed now. I don't know what the title of this video gonna be, but whatever it is, you know, it's just like I said, what we ended up doing. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Ugh.
Yo, chicks, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chicks, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chicks, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chicks, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chicks, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. She so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chicks, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini.
Y'all have got to stop being ghetto and coming to these people's stores doing stuff like this. What is wrong with y'all?
What can I get for you?
Can I just get vanilla milkshake and can you add Oreo and whipped cream to that?
Boy, if you don't get.
So we are at Golden Corral. It is Mother's Day. Looks like we're gonna fish it. Yeah, my neighbors are so inconsiderate. Like, why would you park in the way and you see I'm finna leave? Anyways, I'm on the way to my sister's house. Today is Mother's Day, by the way. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Y'all, I love my iPad so much. I literally bring this thing everywhere with me. Like, I love it that much. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to my sister's house for a little bit. I probably won't talk to y'all again until like tomorrow when I go to work or something.
I can't name a Jay-Z song off the top of my head. But shoot, anyway, back to the story.
Girl, they just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend.
I forgot to update y'all. I did not tell y'all that I'm supposed to be going on a trip soon. I'm going to Panama City. Please put that in park. I'm supposed to be going to Panama City for the weekend. Now, we won't be there the whole weekend, but I'm just gonna call it the whole weekend because we're gonna be there for a while. But basically, yeah, I'm going on a trip. So I'm about to go get my feet done now. I'm doing my own nails. Shout out to my sister because she makes nails. If y'all want some nails, please go hit up her website. I will have it in the description below and I will also put it on the screen. But yes, that's who I got my nails from. And I'm just getting my feet done because I haven't gotten my feet done since like 11th or 12th grade. So I don't, yeah. But I'm about to be on the way to the nail shop now to get that done. And when I go home, I have to actually do my nails and then do my hair. So that's all we have left as far as that part to get done. Then I think I'm probably going to, if not clean my car, to clean my room up some too, because it's been a crazy week, y'all. But I just had to come out here and update y'all because I feel like I haven't talked as much in this video except in the beginning. So yeah, just to update y'all, we're going on a trip. So yeah.
Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna.
Okay, y'all, so I am about to finish off my hair. This is the makeup. Well, the lighting is horrible, but yeah, I'm finna finish my hair and then we finna go. This is what we are looking like. I'm gonna put my clothes on, well, my dress. After that, we'll be leaving out to go. Look at the color. Y'all see that?